Welcome to Parent Launch. Today we'll be doing a deep dive into baby bottle sterilizers. We'll be showcasing some of the top baby bottle sterilizers on the market, each excelling in different categories. Whether you're looking for the best overall, the most versatile, or the quickest option, we've got you covered. Please note that prices mentioned may vary due to changes since the video upload. For more information on products mentioned in this video, check out the links in the description down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest guides and tips for modern parenting. First up, we have the Philips AVENT Premium Baby Bottle Sterilizer with Dryer, priced at around $119 and rated as the best overall. The Philips AVENT Premium Baby Bottle Sterilizer with Dryer harnesses the power of natural steam to eliminate 99.9% of harmful germs and bacteria, ensuring your baby bottles are safe and sterile. Beyond its sterilization capabilities, it integrates a sophisticated drying system that circulates hot, filtered air, drying the sterilized contents thoroughly within just 40 minutes. Designed to accommodate up to 6 bottles at a time, this unit can also handle a variety of other baby essentials. Its compact and modular design ensures it fits seamlessly on most kitchen countertops. Key features include a progress indicator light, a drip tray to safeguard the heating element from milk residue, and an automatic shutoff feature. These elements make the Philips AVENT Premium Baby Bottle Sterilizer with Dryer a superior choice for parents seeking a reliable, effective, and convenient solution. Next, let's talk about Dr. Brown's all-in-one sterilizer and dryer, priced at around $79. This one is your pick for the best multi-purpose sterilizer. Dr. Brown's all-in-one sterilizer and dryer excels in both sterilizing and drying, accommodating up to 6 baby bottles, pacifiers, breast pump components, and other essential accessories. It boasts 4 distinct operational modes to suit various needs: sterilize only, dry only, auto-sterilize, and dry, and a storage setting that keeps items sterile until their next use. The user experience is simplified by an intuitive, easy-touch electronic control panel. Additionally, it includes a removable accessory tray designed to organize and securely hold various baby items during the sterilization process, ensuring consistent steam distribution. This multi-purpose capability makes it an indispensable device for parents who value hygiene, convenience, and the health of their little ones. For those who prioritize drying efficiency, the Baby Brezza Bottle Sterilizer and Dryer Advanced, priced at around $139, is our top recommendation in the drying category. The Baby Brezza Bottle Sterilizer and Dryer Advanced is renowned for its dual capabilities, excelling in both sterilizing and drying baby care items. It can accommodate up to 8 bottles along with 2 complete sets of breast pump parts. Its innovative modular design allows parents to configure their internal setup to best suit their needs, ensuring maximum efficiency and space utilization. The sterilization process uses natural steam, highly effective at eliminating germs and bacteria, while the filtered air system ensures that the drying phase is both quick and hygienically superior. This combination guarantees that all items are not just sterile, but thoroughly dried and protected from any microbial contamination. If you need a sterilizer that excels in drying efficiency, the Baby Brezza Sterilizer and Dryer Advanced is the way to go. Now, for parents who are always on the go or traveling, the Philips AVENT Microwave Steam Sterilizer, priced at around $23, is a game changer. The Philips AVENT Microwave Steam Sterilizer is compact, lightweight, and fits into virtually any microwave oven. It can sterilize up to 4 Philips AVENT bottles at once in just 2 minutes. Utilizing the natural cleansing power of steam, it effectively destroys 99.9% of harmful germs and bacteria without the use of harsh chemicals. This portable sterilizer is perfect for travel, allowing parents to maintain bottle cleanliness no matter where they are. Its efficiency and simplicity make it an ideal choice for busy parents. If you're looking for a quick and convenient sterilization solution, the Philips AVENT Microwave Steam Sterilizer is a fantastic option. Lastly, let's talk about the Papablic Baby Bottle Electric Steam Sterilizer and Dryer, priced at around $64, which offers the largest capacity. The Papablic Baby Bottle Electric Steam Sterilizer and Dryer can sanitize up to 11 bottles and accessories simultaneously. Its versatile design includes 3 different stacking configurations, accommodating everything from tiny pacifiers to large bottles. Beyond sterilization, it also dries and deodorizes, providing a comprehensive clean. This sterilizer uses high-temperature steam to ensure thorough sanitization. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to handle and disassemble for cleaning, while the intuitive timer and auto shutoff features add a layer of safety and convenience. For those needing a high-capacity solution, the Papablic Baby Bottle Electric Steam Sterilizer and Dryer is an excellent choice. So there you have it, parents. This concludes our comprehensive guide to baby bottle sterilizers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.